I extend my heartiest welcome to all the dignitaries and volunteers. It gives us enormous pleasure to coordinate this event with the Gujarat's Anand Pharmacy College. This event is administered under Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat Abhiyan, aiming at bilateral sharing of culture among states. Sessional proceedings. Initially, you will have a glimpse to our unit at NSS BIT Durg, trailing by the demographic overview of Chhattisgarh. Subsequently, you will love to see the traditional dance forms of Chhattisgarh. The culture of Chhattisgarh cannot be accomplished without its tribal life. So you will have then tribes and tribal life of Chhattisgarh. Our unit. From 1986, our unit has tremendous experience of working under two central universities, that is PD Ravi Shankar University, and from 2006 onwards with Chhattisgarh Swami Technical University. This year we got some major technical reformations such as development of an alumni management system, automated mailing system, centralized work allotment systems, etc. We do also practice wing segregation in NSS, which helps the volunteers to sharpen their skills under the guidance of respective experienced volunteers. As a result of this major renovations, this year NSS BIT Durg is a family of 290 plus volunteers. Our unit worked tirelessly in the prosperity of nation. As a result, our wall of fame includes the state's Best NSS Unit Award, Best Program Officer Award, awarded by the governor in it. We are the leading blood donors of the state. We were also honored at Bharatiya Chhat Sansad, Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. These are some of our achievements and a long list follows.
Chhattisgarh, a seahorse-shaped state of East Central India, whose capital Raipur is approximately 1200 km from New Delhi. The ancient name of Chhattisgarh was Dakshina Koshala, and it was carved out of Madhya Pradesh on 1st November 2000. The 50% of the population here comprises of the tribal people. The total area coverage of the state is 1,35,192 square kilometer. Chhattisgarh was also given the status of Mahatari, meaning the mother. So, the literacy rate here is 70.28%. There are 7 neighbors of Chhattisgarh. It accounts 15% of the total steel production. The natural environment of the state includes forests, mountain rivers, and waterfalls, and it's also a place for mineral deposits. Nadi is the main river system of the state.
The folk dances of Chhattisgarh play a decisive role in distinguishing Chhattisgarhi culture from the other cultures, and these dance forms are performed in worship of gods or signify changing of the seasons. Discussing the first dance form, which is Saila. Saila is mainly performed by the tribal people who is known by Saila in their unique art form. It is mainly performed during the period when the harvest of the crops get completed. The month of Aghan is the only month in which this dance form is performed with great enthusiasm by people of Saila tribe. It is also performed before the arrival of the Diwali season, which is commonly known by Baigas.
सरगुजा की रानी से अप्रसन्न होकर आदिदेव बघेसुर अमरकंटक चले गए थे। वहां के बांसों को काटकर इस नृत्य का चलन हुआ।
Karma Nach or Karma dance is one of the traditional dance forms of the central as well as eastern India. It is annually performed during the Karma festival. Karma is a famous autumnal festival. It starts from the 11th day of the bright fortnight of the month of Bhadarba. Karma dance, which is also popularly known as Karma Nachis, is performed by the tribes of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha and other regions of the country.
कौन गांव के करम डार कहाँ कर्मा दरिहा, कौन गांव के करम डार कहाँ कर्मा दरिहा, सिकरी चोराए के संग नाचते जंदुरिया, दे हाय रे सरगुजा नाचे, अलथी कलथी मादर बाजे, हाय रे सरगुजा नाचे, अलथी कलथी मादर बाजे, हाय रे सरगुजा नाचे.
Suwa tribal dance in the state of Chhattisgarh is also a form of parrot dance. Suwa Nach has been performed by Satnamis, and this rural folk dance showcases the culture of the tribals of these area. Sua dance, also referred to as parrot dance, is performed by the tribal women of Chhattisgarh, one of the newly formed states in India. This symbolic dance performed by tribal women is a way of worshipping tribal deities. Pandwani is an Indian folk dance which is performed predominantly in the Chhattisgarh state. It is also popular in neighboring tribal areas of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. It depicts the story of Pandavas, the leading characters of epic Mahabharata. The origin of Pandwani is yet to be discovered. However, some of the leading artists believe that it might be as old as the Mahabharata itself. Panthi dance is one of the important dance form in the Chhattisgarh state. It is mainly danced to depict the importance of Durg district to the people, performed on Maghi Purnima, the birth anniversary of Guru Baba Ghasidas. Panthi is a dance of Satnami community in Chhattisgarh. Satnami is one of the tribal habitats of the region. The dance is devotional in nature and has a religious connotation. Satnamis believe in Nirvana philosophy and their dance conveys this ideology. Raut Nacha is the dance form which is performed by the Yadavas or Yadavanshis who consider themselves to be the descendant of Lord Krishna. They perform the dance at the time of Dev Udni Ekadashi. It is believed that it is time of awakening of gods after brief rest according to the Hindu Panchang. The dance form carries with itself a sacred mythological and religious undertone revered from generation. The dance is commonly known as the dance of cowherds. Jilriti or Jhiri is one of the lesser known dance form in the Chhattisgarh state, and it is not classified as dance as there is no proper pattern of dance in Jhiri, and it is not heavily documented in any major work or media. No one ever won the goods except for a pair of anthropologists surveyed. There is a Halloween tradition played by children in the Bastar region. As the sun sets and the evening sets in, the children are dressed in fancy costumes, chalk-faced charcoal and grey or perhaps leftover rangoli powder, bowls in small bamboo and fancy wood. Among all the dance form, Gedi is a pure, fun run-through crowd of dancers riding sticks. striking an outstanding balance to dominate tribal acoustics and confrontation. This is a wonderful folk dance that has managed to keep the tradition alive. Gay dance performed by rural men in Chhattisgarh. The dancers stand on two long bamboo or gedi sticks and dance while throwing poles on the ground. The way the dancers blend rhythmically with poles and balance is interesting to watch.
Chhattisgarh is an amazing treasure house of age-old tribal cultures and history. Every one of them has separate customs and lifestyles, which truly make Chhattisgarh an amalgamation of culture. There are many different tribes found in Chhattisgarh. Some of the major tribes are as follows: Bishan Maria, Gond, Abuj Maria, Halba, Dhruva, Muria. Now we will look some of the important feature of each tribes. First, Bishan Maria. They are located mainly in the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh. The men from this tribe wear a headgear made of Bisan horn, which also gives the name of the tribe. They practice shift cultivation method of agriculture and their livelihood depend upon the forest, and they also worship a variety of gods. Now the second one is Gond. Gonds are one of the largest tribal groups in the world and recognized for their exceptional Gautal system of marriage that they marry within the family. Gond society is somewhat matriarchal, where the groom has to pay the dowry to the bride's family and their main food is kodo and kutki. Now the next one is Abuj Maria. They are mainly located in the Narayanpur in Bastar districts of Chhattisgarh. They live a life of isolation from the outside world. The Abuj Maria are mainly slash and burn cultivator, though they also practice some of the settled cultivation. Money and material pleasure rarely lure the people of this caste. Now let's know the amazing things about the Halba tribes. They are found in the Durg, Bastar and Raipur districts. Their name comes from the term Hal, which locally means plugging or farming. This clearly implies that Halba were primarily farmers, although nowadays they are involved in a variety of professions. They are also one of the most progressive and affluent tribal groups. Next one is Dhruva. Their society is progressive and broad-minded, and a polygamy is a common and accepted practice. The Dhruva depends upon agriculture for their economic subsistence. The tribal people are also talented craftsmen. They are highly religious and worship variety of gods. Now last one is Muria. Muria people inhabit in the dense forest of Kondagaon, Narayanpur and Bastar district. Compared to other Adivasis, the Muria are relatively prosperous. They are economically homogeneous and strive to work as a collective. They have an omnivorous diet, with liquor playing a key role in their society.